एक साथ राष्ट्रगीत शुरू करेंगे। शुरू कर।
कुणबी समाज एक रत्नागिरी जिल्ह्यातील
The Kunbi caste, settled in Ratnagiri district, has a total population of around 65%. It has been 67 to 68 years that we got independence. Still, this particular caste doesn't seem to have developed at all.
67 वर्षे झाली तरी पण या समाजाची काही उन्नती झालेली दिसत नाहीये।
मी उद्या विकतोय म्हणून तर ती विकली गेली, पण ती जर आम्हाला मिळाली असती आणि कुल काय
My family has lost around 15 hectares of our ancestral land. My ancestors were not that educated to fight this and also not financially sound. So we lost that land of ours. They have taken advantage of our illiteracy and fooled us. This is the biggest threat to our village.
हा मोठा धोका ह्या निवळी गावात रावणंगवाडीत आहे।
We have only one school in our village, but we want our present and future generations to study and not be exploited like us.
Neverli village, situated 20 kilometers away from the Ratnagiri railway station, is home for 4 different communities, of which the Kunbis and the Dalits are the most oppressed. We ventured out to record their plight. Kunbis, who constitute 65% of Ratnagiri's total population, have faced continuous oppression over the years under the Brahmins. The major form of livelihood for this community is farming. Even in this sector, the Kunbis haven't progressed much owing to illiteracy. People lament about their lands being encroached upon without their knowledge. Rao mentions that the BJP brushes aside the problems of the Kunbi community because of its economic backwardness. There are turmeric plants and mango groves in the village. Most of the landowners belong to the political parties.
आम्हाला इथे कळलं नव्हतं ती जमीन नेमकी कुठल्या एरियात आहे, कुठली जमीन आहे, कारण कसं तेवढं शोध।
In this Nibli village, there are about 200 families. Primary occupation being farming. Here families are dependent on each other. The issue of Brahmin and Kunbi is going for years now. Here we are fearful of the feudal lords, that is the Brahmin community. This has been happening since I was a kid. Then also, they used to sell the lands on their own without our knowledge. Now at least some of us are going and telling them that if you want to sell, inform us.
ब्राह्मण समाजाच्या कोगजे ह्या व्यक्तीने आमची जमीन विकली। वडिलोबापाजी म्हणजे आजोबा पंजोबापासून आमची होती, पूर्ण अर्धा डोंगर होता।
People over here are scared of the upper caste, and even if they want to drag them in court, they can't because they feel they will lose whatever they have while fighting this legal battle. We were cultivating on our lands for so many years, and that was sold without our knowledge. So many families from this village have lost their lands. Now that Konkan is the tourist attraction, they sell our lands to big builders.
काहीतरी करायला पाहिजे, त्याप्रमाणे आमची तशी जमीन संपली, म्हणजे आम्ही तसे बरेच लोक बेघर झालो। त्या एक 5-10 एकरची जागा गेली आमची।
Social activists and caste analysts have observed that the sorry state of affairs is due to their conservative mindset. Some attribute the community's stunted growth to the fact that they have been included in the list of other backward classes who are neglected by the government.
ब्राह्मणांची जवळजवळ या ठिकाणी 60 ते 70 घरं आहेत त्यांचे ते पूर्वी जमीन
There are around 60 to 70 Brahmin families residing here. Because of law which was introduced, some have acquired the land, some have not.
तरी पण शेतकरी अशिक्षित असल्यामुळं त्यांना आपली पाहिजे तेवढी तशी उन्नती करता आली नाही, प्रगती करायला नाही, शेतीची पण त्यांना पुरेसं ज्ञान नाही.
Because Kunbi class is uneducated, they were not aware of the value of this land and hence could not develop themselves. They hardly have any knowledge of agriculture. They are economically backward also.
त्यामुळं त्यांना पाहिजे तेवढा आर्थिक स्रोत इथं नाही आहे, मोलमजुरी आणि थोडीफार शेती.
Whenever we sell the land, we give them the necessary amount. If they are not happy, then it's not our fault.
व्यवस्थितपणे आतापर्यंत शिक्षण न मिळाल्यामुळं येथील लोकांची प्रगती जशी व्हायला पाहिजे तशी झालेली.
Mr. Vilas Yes Partne, a practicing lawyer in Ratnagiri and an expert on land laws, commented on the land issue faced by the Kunbi community.
Has make out the entries, pencil entries in the other rights column.
The tenancy is an extremely burning issue of Konkan region. However, in the Nivali area, there are thousands of tenants who have not recorded their tenancy because they are not educated and are unaware about their rights. This is why there is rift between the landlords and the tenants. But now they usually go for outside court settlement.
In favor of their all tenants. So at present, all the tenants are cultivating their land as a owner, and the issue of the rift between the landlord and tenant has been finally finished.
Neveli village not only has to fight the caste inequalities, there are other issues too which the Baudawadi people face. Hospitals are out of reach due to unfit roads. Children from class 5 have to travel miles to reach school, as only primary school is there in their wadi. One major issue is, however, the water scarcity, which is quite prevalent for the people of Baudawadi.
गावामध्ये जी नळपाणी योजना आहे ती 1990
Our Dalit Wadi got the facility of water around 1990s. After that, the pipes have never been repaired. Because of that, the pipes have been rusted and whatever little water we get is contaminated.
त्यापासून सुरू झाले. त्याच्यामध्ये हे जे पाईप आहे वेल्डिंग पूर्णपणे बाद झाल्यामुळे वेल्डिंग मधून पूर्ण डायरेक्ट पाणी निघते.
This pipe is leaking, and even if we decide to patch something, it will break. Welding also is not possible because of that. We have 4 to 5 water taps in our settlement. All are in the same condition.
4 ते 5 ठिकाणी अशी गळती म्हणजे पाण्याची गळती होते. त्याच्यामुळे जे पाणी फुकट जातं ते पाणी सुद्धा जे पंपाने वरती खेचलं जातं त्याच्यामुळे ते पंपाचं जे बिल वाढतं ते सुद्धा पूर्ण वाडीलाच भरावं लागतं. त्याच्यामुळे हे पाणी जर एकाच ठिकाणी जर एवढं पाणी फुकट जात असेल तर 5 ते 6 ठिकाणी.
Because of this condition, there is water wastage, and we only have to pay that in the electricity bill. We have done so many complaints, but the officials never pay attention to this. It is just 8 to 11 AM that we have water supply, and with this wastage, we get less water.
म्हटली तर दुरुस्ती होतच नाही. दुरुस्ती होत नाही त्याच्यामुळे दुरुस्ती करायचा प्रश्नच येत नाही. त्यामुळे आम्ही ग्रामपंचायतीकडे आम्ही याची नोंद केली होती. तर अजूनपर्यंत ते त्यांच्याकडे म्हणजे जी अनुदान आहे उपलब्ध ते म्हणतात की आमच्याकडे सध्या तरी अनुदान उपलब्ध नाही. पुढे पुढे ढकलत असे ते अजूनपर्यंत याची दुरुस्ती झालेली नाही.
As far as the water is concerned, the Jindals are the major problem creators. The Jindals have constructed a dam across the Bhav river, and this has led to the deprivation of water for the villagers. More than half of the river has been taken away by the Jindals. The 1200 megawatt plant at Jaigarh Ratnagiri was launched in July 2007, and the JSW Energies have been using 4.5 MLD of water per day from the Bhav river. The entire plant was fully commissioned in 2011. This is the first project of over 1000 megawatts to be set up in the state by the private sector post the Electricity Act of 2003.
आता हा जो प्रोजेक्ट आहे समोर जे पाणी वाहत आहे या शेतकऱ्यांना काही पाण्याचा उपयोग होत नाही. हे या जे नदीचं धरण आहे हे जिंदालवर नेलेले आहे. या साईडला समोर दिसते या संगमेश्वर तालुका.
If you see there, because of this project, the farmers are not benefiting. The dam is built for Jindal thermal project, and water from here goes to their project. The government, our local leaders, have sold our trust to Jindal. All we wanted was 25% water from this project. There is a lot of drought here that we can't help ourselves. Before giving the water to Jaigarh, they did not ask us even once. We farmers are poor people, and this is our ancestral property. Foreign companies come and grab our land, and the farmers are not informed anything about it. If this amount of water is given to our crops, they will grow without any problem. Someone should give us justice. We asked the government officers about the project, and no one said anything.
या जमिनी आम्हाला जे दिल्या त्या खोतीपासून आम्हाला मिळाल्या आहेत. काही लोक इथे येतात, इथे कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट बिसर सुद्धा कामं लोक करतात. कंपनीच्या नावाखाली लोक कामं घेतात आणि कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट पगार लावतात. त्यांना 3000 पगार दिला जातो, एक्स्ट्रा पगार सुद्धा 1000 रुपये. मग इथले ग्रामस्थ लोक का नाही तुम्ही लावत कामाला? कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट तुम्ही बाहेरचे का आणता? वास्तविक हा फायदा शेतकऱ्यांना तुम्ही दिला पाहिजे आम्हाला. तर काही न करता यांनी परत हे कुठं काम थांबवून शेतकऱ्यांना आम्हाला न्याय द्यावा. आम्ही शेतकरी माणसं आहोत, आमचं जीवन हे शेतीवर आहे. आम्ही शेती केल्याशिवाय दुसरं भाताशिवाय काय पिकत नाही. हे जर पाणी जर आम्हाला तिने दिलं असतं तर आम्ही शेती करू शकलो असतो. यासाठी तुम्ही पाहता पूर्ण पावसाळ्या भाग भरले असतो, काही उत्पन्न होत नाही यातून. आता हे जर तुम्ही पाणी पाहताय हे आता पाणी महिन्यानंतर बघितलं तर काही सुद्धा मिळणार नाही.
ते पूर्ण पाणी आहे ते गावाचं,
हे गावात हे प्रोजेक्टचं पाणी पण खाली पुढे गाव आहे परत, त्याला सुद्धा पाणी मिळत नाही आहे. दुष्काळी पाणी धुता कपडेचं धुता येत नाही आहे तशी परिस्थिती. आता हे सोडलं आहे म्हणून तुम्हाला दिसतं आहे पाणी. आता हा इथून बॉम्बे हवे रोड जातो आहे. हे पावसाळी असे या पुलाला पाणी लागतं. इतके सुद्धा असून हे आमच्यावरती पडदा टाकलेला आहे. आम्हाला शेतकऱ्यांनी डुबवलं आहे सर प्रत्येक शेत.
When the concerned people in the Jindal Steel Works were approached, they refused to speak in front of the camera. But what does this mean to the villagers? Yes, water-deprived water taps. Shubhangini Ashok Sawant, a blind widow who had the first experience of electricity just few weeks back in her house, has been struggling for water. And so does most of them in the village. She says that the government has done nothing to improve the infrastructure for the water connection and supply.
The water conditions here are extremely bad. It is just 8 to 11 in the morning that we get water. The water that we get is our own, from our Bhav river. Still, we have to pay for it.
The land problems that the villagers have been facing between their communities for ages also have taken a corporate angle in the past few years, with the occupation of the land by the corporates. The bigger problem that they have to face as a whole against the corporate like Jindal bring in a lot of concern to their land and water rights.
मी एकट्याने सांगू सगळं